My eyes fluttered open. This was not my bed. This was not my room. A strange feeling washed over me. The air itself felt different. It seemed to hum softly, a gentle vibration, almost alive. Where was I? This was the first question, a question that echoed in the silence. The light was peculiar. It was not the warm yellow of Earth's sun. Instead, a soft purple glow filled the space. It seemed to come from everywhere at once. There were no distinct shadows, only this diffuse, gentle illumination. It painted everything with an ethereal quality. This place felt calm. Yet it was profoundly alien. My senses were on high alert. I listened carefully. No birdsong greeted me. No distant traffic hummed. Only that low, pervasive thrum, like the world itself was breathing. Or maybe it was the sound of distant stars. The silence was deep, deeper than any I had known. It was a silence full of unknown things, a canvas for new sounds. Then a scent reached me. It was sweet, and a little bit like damp earth, but richer, more complex, unlike any flower or forest on Earth. It was the perfume of another world. Fresh, clean, inviting. My mind raced, trying to place it, but there were no memories to match. Everything was a first impression. I moved towards an opening, a kind of window perhaps. I peered outside, my breath caught. The sky above was not blue, it was a gentle swirling green, like a cosmic emerald ocean, and in that sky, not one but two moons. They hung like silver coins, small, bright, and very close. This was a truly different celestial stage. The plants below were astonishing. They were not green, but shades of vibrant blue. Some even glowed with a soft inner light. Trees, if you could call them that, were tall, impossibly tall and slender. Their branches reached up like delicate fingers. They swayed gently. Even with no wind I could feel. It was a forest from a dream, a beautiful, silent blue forest. And then I saw them. Mountains. But they were not on the ground. They floated high in the green sky, great islands of rock and vegetation, hanging there defying gravity. Or perhaps gravity worked differently here. Waterfalls cascaded from their edges, falling slowly like silver ribbons towards the land far below. It was a sight that broke all rules. A river snaked through the landscape, not far from where I stood. Its waters were not blue or clear. They shimmered like liquid metal. Perhaps it was mercury or something unknown. It flowed silently, reflecting the green sky and the floating mountains. This world was a masterpiece of the strange. Every view was a new discovery, so unlike Earth, yet so captivating. My eyes scanned the strange terrain. Then something moved. Near the edge of the shimmering river, it was small, low to the ground. It had 6 legs. Its body was covered in scales. The scales shimmered with rainbow colors, changing with each tiny movement. It paused, then dipped its head to drink. From the metallic-looking water, the creature seemed peaceful. It moved with a slow, deliberate grace. It was not like any reptile or insect I knew. Its large, dark eyes seemed to absorb the light. It showed no fear, no aggression, just a quiet existence in its unique world. I watched it for a long time. This was life, alien life, right before my very eyes, a testament to the universe's creativity. Then something fluttered in the air, above the glowing blue trees. It was larger, much larger, like a giant butterfly, but its wings were not covered in powder. They were like panes of stained glass. Intricate patterns swirled within them. Catching the purple light, it danced on unseen currents, a silent, beautiful aerial display. These creatures, so different, each one perfectly adapted to this world of green skies and floating mountains. They were not monsters, they were wonders, each a unique solution to the puzzle of life, on a planet far from my own. Their existence expanded my understanding of what life could be. The universe is truly full of surprises, and I was witnessing some of them. My heart beat faster now, not with fear, not anymore. It was a thrill, a profound sense of awe. To be here, to see this. This was what explorers dream of, what scientists search for. A new world, untouched, unknown. The sheer scale of the universe, its capacity for variety, it was overwhelming in the best possible way. There was so much to see, so much to learn, a whole new biology, a new geology, perhaps even new laws of physics. Every rock, every plant, every creature held secrets, waiting to be understood. The questions piled up in my mind. How did these mountains float? What was the river made of? How did these life forms evolve? This place was a gift, a cosmic mystery handed to me, an invitation from the universe itself to explore, to discover, to push the boundaries of knowledge. The initial shock was fading, replaced by an insatiable curiosity, the same curiosity that drives us, to look up at the stars and wonder what lies beyond. I took a deep breath of the sweet alien air. I had to explore. I had to understand this was more than an adventure. It was a responsibility, a privilege. My personal journey into the cosmos had just begun. On this strange, beautiful world, the unknown beckoned, and I would answer,